All right, hey, what's up, guys? I didn't record some stuff because I got into work mode and I just wanted to knock as much stuff out as I could. So let me go over what I did here. It's almost all back together. Intercooler's on. The little overflow coolant tank, new. These two hoses are new. This hose is new. These two hoses are new. This hose is new. This is the one I was waiting on before I was going to put everything back together. These hoses are new. That's this hose right here. That's new. Alternator put on. The power steering hose here. This is new. But I wasn't able to find it for a Baja Turbo. This is for a normally aspirated Outback. The placement of those, it's like this piece is over here, but it's close enough to work, so that's fine. Here's the new power steering reservoir. You see with the nice new ATF, the nice new power steering fluid. New hose there. This piece, the old one was bent a little bit, so I picked up the new one. All new belts. This, I still need to replace that, so I'm gonna get that new, but just to start it for now, I'm gonna use it. So I mean, I'm pretty much almost ready. My box of new stuff is almost gone. I need to put on the intake and the bottom part. The old one I took off, it was like those two tabs that stick in to lock down the top of the air cleaner. Those two on the bottom part, it was broken, so those two tabs weren't locking into anything. So I bought a new bottom section from Subaru. And I was also missing the snorkel. I bought a new one from Subaru as well. I have new radiator hoses to put on. I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna put on radiator hoses, upper and lower. I need to plug in the fans. On the bottom there, I need to hook up the transmission cooler lines, which I put on new, and they were bad. They were torn up. I'm sure they would have started leaking at any moment. So I'm glad I got those new. I'm gonna put the downpipe on and fill it up with oil, fill it up with coolant, and we'll be ready to start this thing. I'm pretty sure that I plugged all the hoses and stuff in. I need to plug in the main harness and these sensors here. Well, that's the MAF, but like the O2 sensor and the EGT sensor there. On both sides, I need to plug in the main harnesses. I left them unplugged in case I needed to wiggle them a little bit. But I'm gonna really try to knock this out and get it started today. Oh, and the new fuel injector plug came in, and I put the new one on, so I have the correct one here. I don't have the one that I clearanced to make it fit, so that's good to go. And all right, so I'm gonna put the battery on the charger, let it charge while I do this because I haven't started in a while. And let's do it. Let's see this thing. Let's see this thing come to life. Okay, I got the downpipe in. Here's the new air cleaner, the lower air cleaner assembly. Let's see if I can remember how to put it in. I mean, that hole just goes here, and then how did I do this? Son of a bitch. Damn it. Oh, come on. Well, I knew you guys missed watching me struggle, so I'm sure struggling. There. Okay. All right. I was caught under this. Oh, damn it. Well, I'm sorry. I scratched, whoever's gonna win the Baja, I scratched up your lower air box a little bit. I apologize for that. All right, well, you watched me struggle once. I think that's enough. I'm gonna cut to it being installed perfectly, and you guys are gonna be really impressed. Well, I thought I was done, but then I saw this on the old airbox. So let's put that on, and it's gonna be a bitch, I think. Ow, 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 ow. All right.
I'm gonna cut to it being installed perfectly, and you guys are gonna be really impressed.
Okay, I got intake on, new air filter, put a Denso air filter in there. This boot's new. If you remember, mine was, I think it was split like right here. And this one's nice and soft, it was easy to get on and off. The old one, I can't even fucking squeeze it. And this one, like, look at that, that's so nice. Okay, let me get the radiator hoses on. And I guess y'all can watch me do that if you want. I know y'all love watching me struggle here. This is kinda close to the radiator fan. Kinda really close. It's like a millimeter clearance. I'm gonna flip it, see if that gives it any more clearance. No, I'm gonna have to cut this thing. Okay, let me go get my knife. All right, well, I cleared pretty good on that side. So I think I'm gonna cut it here. Okay, yeah, I figure if I cut it that much, that'll be good. But I would rather cut too little off to start off than too much. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Oh. Okay, I gotta, let me see if I can get y'all an angle. I can't really see what you're seeing. Oh, I need the hose clamps. Well, this one of these it was actually, it's all wet with antifreeze. One of the hose clamp that was on the bottom on the radiator, it like got stuck, and so I had to like chop it off with the grinding wheel. And I thought I'd be able to get another hose clamp, but the one I have, one is like just barely too small, and this one's like big. So I'm gonna have a little bit of excess here, and I think I'll put the excess up here on this one, and then this will get the correct size. I guess I'll put this guy in first. While I'm here, I'm gonna plug in the radiator fan. We get clamps for these two guys. Clamp those on while we're here. Yeah, you should have seen these freaking transmission cooler lines. They were dry rotted to hell. It was bad. I'm surprised they held. I'm surprised they held freaking fluid, to be honest. I'm gonna push this on a little bit more. Oh, got shit in my eyes. I don't know if you guys have ever tried to make YouTube videos, but it's not easy, and it makes working on the cars take a whole lot longer, because I'm trying to set up, I'm trying to set up the shots and stuff, and I have to stop and then go and then stop again and then go again. I mean, I don't know, on the next one, maybe if somebody lives in El Paso, maybe you can come film for me. That'd be cool. We could do like hot guy stuff, Okay. That's good. That's good. Tighten this sucker up. This one's a long one. All right, that wasn't bad. Okay, oil, coolant, connect the exhaust, connect the battery. I think we're ready. All right, let's do it.